Hi everyone, here we've got MEIZU M6T and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So firstly we have to enter our contact list, and now just find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me pick this one, and now we have to tap on this edit. Let me check if I can do it here. As you can see, we can just tap on the icon M, which is just starting with the very first letter of the name of our contact, and we can tap on update avatar. And as you can see here, we've got some defaultly installed avatars from which we can choose. So we've got actually quite a lot of options to choose from. Just tap on it if you'd like to set it. What's more, you can also choose the camera option or gallery option. Obviously, after tapping on the camera, your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you. Or you can choose the gallery, so we will be just transferred to the gallery. So obviously I will pick this one. And now we have to just tap on the one you'd like to add. Here we have to decide where we want to crop the picture, so we can do it using our own gallery or actually gallery app or Google Photos, and I will pick, for example, Google Photos. And as you can see here, we can adjust the size of this square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. So just position it just like you want. Obviously here you can rotate the picture if you like to, so you can customize it, and if you're happy with the results, just tap on done. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied. So right now just remember to tap on done in the right upper corner, and as you can see, it is immediately applied to our contact. After getting back to the contact list, we can also see it, and it will be obviously visible in whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your MEIZU M6T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.